How to add a voiceover on Canva per slide. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I'm inside my PowerPoint presentation right here inside Canva, and the way to go ahead and record yourself or record a voiceover per slide is by clicking on the uploads button on the categories right here. Right after, you can just go ahead and click on the record yourself button right below the upload files. Go ahead and allow everything right here, and right after that you can just go ahead and click on the record button to get started. So for example, I want to start with this slide right here. I'll just go ahead and click on record. Part 1. What ethical principles guide the practice of physical therapists? In what way does it guide PTS in their practice? Go ahead and click on done. Part 1. In what ethical principles guide the practice of physical therapists? In what way does it guide the PTS in their practice? So just go ahead and click on the save and exit. You should be able to see this audio file right here. And when we go ahead and click on the slide 4, it should automatically play our voiced over. Practice of physical therapist. In what way? If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.